What's going on, guys? What are we doing today, Tubby? We're going to the bike park! Going to Mountain Creek Resort. I've never been. Tubby's been before. Oh hey, I forgot to mention, I own this road! It's a little pipsqueak.
I figured, no, I might get a bowl, and then we'll eat this later.
Alright guys, we just stumbled upon an antique car show. So random. Nice 280. Lots of sweet cars, and we just found out. There's our mountain. Mountain Creek, more like Hill Creek. What's up guys, we made it here to the resort. I'm on Tubby's bike. Got the meta glasses on. Hopefully we get some good POV riding clips because I do not have a GoPro. I'm gonna go get the rental bike. We'll see you there.
Off.
Getting padded up.
Dude, it's like a 2-second ride.
We're off.
We're going up a hill. They said it's called Mount Vernon, but it's Hill Vernon. In my
Mountain Creek, or like Hill Creek.
Oh yeah, not Mount Vernon. We're about to have some water park.
It's kind of huge. It's way
I
bigger
don't think
than
it was open last time I was here because it was fall. They had emptied it.
This is not a long little ride, but it's a nice view. Guys, we're switching to the meta POV. I got my Ace hardware gloves going on, my nerdy jorts and rental pads. Tubby. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Andres must have the other set.
So Andres has both right. Oh!
Is it even worth it?
Oh, that's so stupid.
Is it actually working?
I guess so. It'll Oh! This is beautiful. Holy epic! New. Oh shit. Yeah, baby! What is this?
I don't remember the green having that many.
That is so fun.
I don't remember it having that many little fun sections.
Dude, this is so fast. Damn, bro, I'm tired. Take a break. I'm so gassed. Whew.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Blue Flow Indy. Shark fin.
Why that way?
Shit. What's up, bots? First lap down. How we feeling? It's very tiring. I forgot how tiring it is, but it is so fun and absolutely beautiful.
Don't do that.
This is so scary.
It's kind of sick.
On me?
Yep.
Hit it with me.
Yep.
got scared. Dude, they're all big. I stopped. I got scared. Let's go look at it. What's the technique though? Do you just pop?
So down bad, you've gone back to what's the technique? You don't really pop, you don't jump, you just
go.
Yeah.
But I'm not leaning forward.
You want me to do it first?
Am I leaning?
Why would you lean forward?
Good. That's what I wanted to know. That's what I thought.
You just go off of it straight.
The same way I would on these other ones. Oh yeah. Oh. No, dude, I can do this.
We just commit. Dude, it's very chill.
Should we go do that one just as a practice?
If you don't feel it.
No, I got it. We got it. We got it. Got it. We can watch their speed.
Slower than you think.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking.
Oh. Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's do this shit.
We got it.
Comically slow, walk the plank up.
We got it. Oh, damn! Dude, I think I went way too fast on that.
I went too fast and it still felt so slow. That was ridiculous. I feel like you're walking
Bro,
the plank.
there was no flow to what I just did.
All right. Where are we at? We're on the top of a little hill. Look at the hill. Look at the hill. Look at the bikes. Look at the bikes. Ooh, sweaty.
Shift. Case of death.
I got mud in my eye right before it.
Well, then why'd you boost the shit out of it? Manual. Woo! This debrief is gonna be good.
Let's just say I looked at the puddle of mud and I rode into it.
Spin your tire more. Ah! And your brake is all brown. Dude.
Horrible. I'm not doing the tech.
No. Yeah, but woohoo! Nice. Nice. Yeah, bud. Yo! I hate this berm. I hate this berm. I hate this berm. I came off the front. What, you went to pedal and you just had nothing?
Yeah, I felt it earlier.
Oh shit, did your bash guard break or did you never have one?
I never had one. Driest chain on planet Earth.
Drier than my phone.
Drier than free ice cream. Drier than dried ice. That section sucks.
Yeah, low key. I don't want to do it. Isn't that so scary? I knew it. Be loose, be loose. Woo! Yeah, somehow you kind of got boosted off it.
Did it look good?
Yeah, it looks sick. I was like next to you too. You. Yeah, Tubby.
Far left.
I don't want to do it. Yep. Woo!
Dude. Oi! Wah! Oi! Damn, Daniel. I mean, do whatever you want. I'm not doing that. Hate this section. Oh, dude, that hurts.
Poke salad.
Actually looks kind
Very good. We're doing the sibling classic of I cut, you pick to make sure we get.
Look, whenever I overdo it, I gotta save it at the end.
It's so jagged. Beautiful view. I'm out here for a solo lap. Tubby went down. I'm gonna hit a nice cool down on some black tech. I'm gonna try to head over to the other side of the mountain. So we'll see how that goes. Get you some meta clips here. All right, let's see if I can not take the double black racing line. Slow state. Eyes up. Got it. Nice. Ooh. Almost ate shit and my ankle almost went. All right, well, fork in the road. There's a massive drop here off of Skinny into a rock face, which is nuts. I don't know who's doing that, but we're gonna take it easy. Trail. Just bashed the bottom of the bike. Bro, what is this? I genuinely am bushwhacking. What the hell? Oh, a squirrel. Holy technical.
No needs to
Dude,
cross.
thank you. Cookie dough blizzard.
You're doing it wrong. You need the view.
Just found this mythic spot. Tubby's going in for a swim. I'm thinking about it. Looks amazing. It looks amazing. It's super clean.
It's so nice. Oh.
Other way, no? Bro's locked in on the shot.
Hey crew, filling up air car tire quickly.
Okay, you don't have to rush here.
Where's the fork? I'm holding it.
Okay, we're green.
This needs to go to 38. I used to have this at like 40. You're tricking horribly. You're killing us.
35 and a half. 40.6. It's...
Dude!
There goes our 3 minutes.
No.
Check.
Perfect. Front right, go, check.
31.5.
Let's get it to 35.
Dude, how did you find a Radio Shack digital gauge? They're literally out of business.
This is Dad's. It's ancient.
Mythical find.
It used to be in the back of the Golf forever.
Why'd you go the long way?
I didn't think you'd reach.
32.
No! Okay, we need to go burn another dollar. record, give me.
I want to see this Zelda next.
We didn't make it in time. We had one left. Yeah, dude, it looks so much better. The weight is all in the rear with the build out. Thank you so much.
Is that necessary?
Always.
Where's the gauge?
Ready?
Where's the gauge?
You did had it.
You did had it?
You literally gauged it. Ready? We could do... Dude, do it! Wait.
We're 37.5. We did a bit too much. Should I let some out?
Go fill up the other one.
Help me, cable boy. Quick. That's what I like to see. I want to see you sweat.
Oh, you're bullshit.
Come on, rap. And do it with a pretty smile, too. And
Add some more in the back?
no. Then we're going to run out doing the back and need more. Pull those pants up, too.
We're doing everything to not get home.
Literally.
You notice?
Should we eat dinner? I'm getting hungry soon.
We could.
Because it'll go bad soon. We're literally in the car. We said we should eat soon.
No. Andy's
And then we
mapping us
say-
to the nearest McDonald's. This dumbass is like, oh, there's one over here. I look up and there's one right in front of us.
I was looking for one that's like 40 minutes
Look,
away.
look, look.
What are we gonna get? A Big Mac.
No, who are we gonna get?
Hopefully not the shitty one. Are we eating in the car?
Yes. Hey Meta, start recording. Ronaldinho! Let's go!
That's perfect. Well, we can't go anywhere anyway.
Yeah.
Holy plastic wrap.
Dude, hurry up because we got a line. Thierry Henry! Let's go.
Locked in. Hold on.
What do we need to do? We got lettuce spilling.
I haven't spilled any lettuce. Oh, one.
I'm fresh.
You're cooked. Locked in.
Reflection by not going wide! Tub,
It's been
Tubby
real.
Dubby, it's a pleasure.
Thank you, dude.
Right off.
Gooner van. 0 to 60? Haha. Beep beep. See ya. And off we go. What's up, guys? Finally made it home. What's up, bot? What's up, guys? This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, you're a legend. I hope you enjoyed watching me and my brother mess around on a nice weekend trip. Yeah, I don't really have a point of posting the videos. I mostly post them for myself and remembering these fun moments, but hopefully someone can enjoy watching and coming along for the road. So thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Like, sub, whatever.